Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore one of the most important and talked about developments on the modern battlefield, the Bayraktar TB-2 drone. This drone has become a symbol of technological advancement and resilience, particularly in the ongoing war in Ukraine. It has caught worldwide attention because of its performance and effectiveness, and it continues to reshape how people look at the future of military technology. Instead of just giving you surface-level facts, let's go deep into the story of this drone, its design, its performance, its features, and why it is making such a huge impact in real-world conflicts. When you first look at the Bayraktar TB-2, what strikes you is its sleek, aerodynamic exterior. Built with modern composite materials, it is both lightweight and durable. Its long wingspan of around 12 meters ensures stability in flight and gives it the endurance to stay in the air for long hours. The fuselage is narrow and streamlined, designed for efficiency and to minimize drag. The twin-boom tail structure adds to its stability and allows it to perform in a reliable way under challenging conditions. Even though the design looks simple, every angle and curve has been engineered with precision. It is not just about aesthetics. It is about function, and this is exactly why it has become so successful in the battlefield environment. Inside, things are very different from traditional aircraft. Since this is an unmanned aerial vehicle, there is no cockpit, no seating arrangement, no control panels for human pilots. Instead, the interior is packed with advanced avionics, secure communication systems, sensors, and control units that allow remote operators to control the drone from miles away. The interior is not about comfort but about compact efficiency. The engineers behind the TB-2 focused on keeping things minimal, making sure that every inch of internal space is used for operational systems rather than unnecessary additions. This is one of the reasons why the drone remains light and capable of carrying payloads without compromising flight time. When it comes to performance, the Bayraktar TB-2 is a true workhorse. It can fly as high as 27,000 feet, which gives it a clear vantage point over wide areas of terrain. Even more impressive is its endurance. It can stay airborne for over 24 hours in a single mission. This persistence allows it to provide continuous surveillance and strike capabilities. Its cruising speed is around 70 knots, which is not extremely fast compared to fighter jets, but the point of this drone is not speed. Its strength lies in patience and the ability to remain invisible while gathering intelligence and waiting for the right opportunity to strike. The TB-2 is armed with precision-guided munitions, often small but extremely effective, designed to destroy tanks, artillery, air defense systems, and even command centers. On multiple occasions, it has been seen disabling high-value targets with pinpoint accuracy. Safety is another area where the TB-2 stands out, even though it is an unmanned system. One of the most significant safety aspects is that human pilots are kept out of harm's way. Operators can control the drone remotely, meaning no risk of losing a human life if the aircraft is destroyed. The drone is also designed with redundant control systems, so if one communication link fails, another can take over. Secure communication channels make it harder for enemy forces to hack or jam the drone. These safety measures do not just protect the system but also ensure that missions can be completed successfully without unnecessary risks. Another thing that makes the Bayraktar TB-2 such a success story is its unique selling points. Unlike some of the drones developed by major Western countries, which cost tens of millions of dollars per unit, the TB-2 is significantly more affordable. Each unit costs around $5 million, which is a fraction of the cost of something like the US MQ-9 Reaper, which can cost 6 times more. Despite the lower price, the TB-2 has proven itself to be highly reliable. It has seen action in multiple conflict zones, including Syria, Libya, Nagorno-Karabakh, and now Ukraine, and in each case, it has demonstrated consistent performance. Its cost-effectiveness, combined with its battlefield record, makes it a highly attractive option for countries that want advanced aerial capabilities without overspending. The price point is particularly important when you compare what Ukraine has been able to achieve with the TB-2 compared to what Russia spends on traditional heavy equipment. A single TB-2, costing around $5 million, has successfully destroyed tanks, missile systems, and artillery worth far more than its own value. This cost-to-damage ratio is one of the biggest reasons why the TB-2 is considered a game-changer. It shows how modern warfare is shifting away from purely expensive heavy machinery towards smart, affordable, and precise technology. For Ukraine, which cannot match Russia in terms of sheer numbers of tanks or fighter jets, this drone provides a way to level the playing field. The Bayraktar TB-2 has also gained attention because of how it is changing the psychology of warfare. Soldiers on the ground know that this drone can appear quietly in the skies and strike without warning. This creates constant pressure and reduces the morale of opposing forces. It has also become a symbol for Ukraine, representing not just a tool of war but also resilience and innovation in the face of overwhelming odds. Its reputation has even spread into popular culture, with songs, media coverage, and international headlines highlighting its effectiveness. Few weapon systems in recent years have achieved this level of recognition, making it unique not only in performance but also in influence. In terms of usability, another advantage of the TB-2 is its simplicity. Operating and maintaining the drone does not require overly complex infrastructure. Ground control stations can be set up relatively quickly, and the training requirements for operators are much less demanding than for fighter jet pilots. This allows nations like Ukraine to rapidly scale up their use of the drone and integrate it into their military operations without years of preparation. The TB-2 is designed to be practical, easy to deploy, and effective, which is exactly what is needed in fast-changing modern conflicts. What really sets the TB-2 apart is the balance it offers between cost, efficiency, and results. Most advanced drones in the world are either extremely expensive or limited in availability. The TB-2 breaks that pattern by being affordable, available, and proven. Its track record in real conflicts, where it has been used successfully against stronger and larger militaries, makes it stand out as one of the most important tools in today's warfare. For countries looking for an effective aerial solution without draining their defense budget, the TB-2 is practically unmatched. As we reach the conclusion, it is clear that the Bayraktar TB-2 is not just another drone. It is a revolutionary system that has redefined modern warfare. Its design is smart and efficient, its performance is reliable and effective, its safety features are strong, and its cost is affordable compared to alternatives. Most importantly, it has proven itself in real battlefields and continues to shape strategies in the ongoing war in Ukraine. The TB-2 is more than just a machine. It is a turning point in how nations approach air power, showing that smaller, smarter, and more affordable systems can challenge even the most powerful armies. For Ukraine, it has become a symbol of hope and resilience, and for the world, it is a lesson in how innovation can rewrite the rules of war. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Bayraktar TB-2, make sure to stay connected for more content that explores the technologies shaping today's conflicts.